Good morning, all. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay, so let's begin the day. Today's date is 4th November 2020. Day is Wednesday. Day is Wednesday. And we are doing vowel E. We are doing vowel I. Okay? So let's revise all the vowels once. Which vowel is this? A. Okay, tell me which vowel is this? U. Which vowel is this? O. Which vowel is this? I. And this is vowel E. Okay, one more time. Let's see the long sound. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Long sound of the vowel. And what is the short sound of the vowel? A, E, O, A. And which vowel we are doing? We are doing vowel I. We are doing vowel I. What is the short sound of vowel I? E. Okay. So let's do the reading. What is this? Vowels. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Long sound. Short sound is A, E, O, A. Okay. So let's read the short sound words first. Short sound. K, E, T, kit. H, E, D, hit. R, E, D, rit. B, it, bit. F, in, fin. S, it, sit. And V, E, N, win. V, in, win. Okay. Now let's read the long sound. K, I, T, kite. H, I, D, height. R, I, D, right. Bite. Fine. Sight. And wine. Okay. Here we are calling it E. Because we have got only one vowel. How many vowel we have right now? Only one vowel. And if we have only one vowel and two consonants are there, these are consonants. Okay. So the one vowel will give us a short sound. And what is the short sound of vowel E? I is E. But here we have got two vowels. And we have that rule. Do you remember that rule? When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and second remains silent. First vowel will give us a long sound. So what is the long sound of vowel I? I. K, it, kite. Same way, height, right, bite, fine, sight and wine. Okay. So please try to read all these words with the long sounds. Okay. Now in your tippy tab book, open page number 9 that we have done already. So just revise them one more time. B in bin, pin, tin, fin, nib. Dick, fig, wig, rig and pig, big. Okay, so one more page. This we have already done. Today we'll read page number 10. Read it with me. Dip, lip, sip, nip and tip. Sit, kit, bit, lit and fit. Okay. Babies, we are doing sentence. Today we will do sentences. Okay. And in sentences we have to use sight words. So are you revising sight words at home? Do you remember which page number? Page number 38. Page number 38. Sight words. Okay. So just read all of them one more time with me. The, yes, we, she, I, you, me, a, do, to. He, be, was, my, her, they, all, are, go and no. Okay. So keep revising these sight words. Okay. Now let's see what we are going to do. Okay, read. You can read it now. Sentences. Sentences with vowel I. Short sound is E. Sentences with vowel E. So we are going to do sentences today. And I hope you all remember that when we begin the sentence, the first letter should be capital. First letter should be capital. So we'll begin the sentence with the capital letter. Okay. So first sentence is, first you listen the sentence. First sentence is, he is Jin. He is Jin. Jin is a name of a boy. Okay. So if there is a name of a boy, if there is any name, we'll write the capital letter first. Okay. So let's begin it. He is Jin. He is a sight words. And do you know, remember the spelling? H-E, he. And is again is a sight word. I-S is. Okay. So let's write. He. First word should be capital. He. Then one finger gap. You have to leave one finger gap after every word. He is. I-E-S is. He is Jin. Because Jin is a name, so we'll write the first letter capital. He is Jin. Now the sentence is finished. Okay, if the sentence got finished, we have to put full stop. Alright. Now the second sentence, listen carefully. Jin has a tin. How many words are there? Jin has a tin. 4 words. Okay. First letter should be capital. Jin has, finger gap, has, her as a has, a tin. Jin has a tin. Sentence finished and full stop. Okay. Now the third sentence is, the tin is pink. The tin is pink. What is the color of tin? Pink. Right. The. The, do you know the spelling of the? T-H-E, the. The is a sight word. Okay. Write the. T-H-E, the. The tin is pink. The tin is pink. The tin is pink. Full stop. Okay. So now the next sentence is, the tin has a lid. The tin has a lid. Tin के एक lid था, ढक्कन. The tin, capital letter, the, T-H-E, the. Tin has the tin has a lid. The Tin has a lid. Sentence finish and full stop. Okay. Now the next sentence, last sentence. Jin will fill the tin. Jin will fill the tin. Right? J capital. J E N. Jin will W E L. Will double L. Okay. Jin will fill. Again double L. F E L. Fill. Jin will fill the tin. The tin. Full stop. Okay. So let's read these sentences one more time with me. Babies, ask your mama. They will say the sentence and then you write. You listen from your mama and write the sentences. Do not copy it down. Okay. Just read the sentence. He is Jin. Jin has a tin. The tin is pink. The tin has a lid. Jin will fill the tin. Okay, so these are the sentences that you are going to do in your English notebook. You are going to write down all these sentences in your English notebook. Okay, and from your Cursive for Junior book, we are going to do page number 55. Page number 55. Okay, let's read and see how we are going to do this. Okay. Alright. Tick the correct word for each picture and write it below. So first of all, you have to write today's date here and day. Now read, which picture is this? This is a cloth peg. Okay. Now read peg and bag. So which is the correct answer here? Peg or bag? Is it a bag? No. Peg. So you will tick peg here in the box and you are going to write it down the same word here. Okay. Now read red bed. What is this? This is a bed. So you will tick the second box and you are going to write down the spelling here. Bed. 10 and pen. So which number is this? This is number 10. You will tick this and you are going to write down the same spelling here. Jet and net. Is it a jet? No, it is a net. So tick it and write it here. Okay, same here. Hen and men. Are they hen? No, they are men. Ma and a man. Tick it and write it here. Leg or bag? This is a leg. Tick and write it here. Pen or men? This is a pen. Tick pen and write it here. Hen or ten? Hen. Tick hen and write it down here. One more page. Page number 56. Okay. Now how you are going to do this? You can read the sentence. First you read the sentences. Picture has given the picture. That picture you have here. You have to write down the spelling of this picture. Look at the pictures. Always read the instructions first. Okay. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks to make sentences. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks to make sentences. Okay. Now, first sentence. Ben has a red. What is this? Pen. Ben has a red pen. So you will write pen here and then full stop. And again you are going to write down the same sentence here. Okay. This is a hen. What is this? Hen. Write hen here, full stop, and then write down the same sentence in the second line. Okay. A pen. What is this? Pen. Picture is, which picture is given here? Pen. So you will write down pen here. A pen and a, what is this? Hen. Hen. Pen and hen. And that you have to write it down the same sentence here. See the 10 big men. Okay. Write down the sentence here. See the 10 big men. A peg and a keg. A peg and a keg. Okay. So this page number 55 and 56, vowel E you will do, and vowel I. 2 pages from vowel I, that is page number 59. Okay, write the correct word below each picture. Okay, so what is this? Who is she? She is a kid. This is a pig. Okay, kick, big, rib and big. One more time. Kid, pig, rib, big. And this is dig. He is doing digging. He is digging. Okay. And this is a lid, nib and fig. One more time you want to do it. Kid, dig, pig, lid, rib, nib, wig and fig. One more page. Now I think you can do it. Tick the correct word for each picture and write it below. Okay. Lid or kid? Kid. Tick kid and write it down here. Fig or pig? Fig. Tick and write it down here. What is this? Rib or nib? Rib. Tick rib and write it here. Rib or nib? Nib. Take it here and write down. Lid or kid? This is a kid? No, it's a lid. Write lid here. Tick the correct answer. Pig or fig? Pig. Tick pig and write pig here. Wig or dig is digging. The dig is the right word. So tick the right word here and write dig here. Wig and pig. So this is a wig. Write a tick here and write down wig in the line. Okay. So page number 60. So we are going to do page number 59 and page number 60 from Cursive for Junior books. Okay. So babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.